N8N Wordpress. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the N8N website. You can choose Sign In or Get Started. You'll land on the Sign Up page. Fill in your full name, company email, confirm your email, password, and account name. Check the box below the account name. Then click Start Free 14-day trial. Answer the quick onboarding questions, then skip the Invite Team Member section. Once your workspace is ready, skip or watch the official tutorial video. Then click Start Automating. On the main dashboard, click Start from Scratch. Now you'll see trigger options like Manually, App Event, Schedule, or Webhook. Choose App Event, then search for WordPress, and select Create a Post. Now go to Credential. Click Create New Credential. Fill in your username, password, and WordPress URL, then save. Back in the trigger settings, configure the resource like Post, Page, User, or Custom API Call. Then in Operation, choose Create, Get, Update, or Custom API Call. Don't forget to fill in the title and field settings like author name, content, slug, password, and status. Open the Settings tab to adjust options like Always Output Data, Execute Once, and Retry on Fail.